It's actually nothing better than to be at a Disney resort with the family. So tonight we come back to one of our favorite places here on property. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
I'm definitely ready. So let's go over there. Welcome here to the Old Key West here in Disney. And tonight, like I said, we got something special. We're coming back here to Olivia's Cafe. And it's been, wow, over a year now?
A year. Yeah.
Since that we were here. Anyways, this restaurant has become one of our favorite restaurants here in property. And tonight, we are coming here just to prove if it's still the same way, how we changed our opinion after trying so many restaurants here between the resorts and Disney Spring. I don't know. I'm excited and I'm hungry, but anyways.
I'm hopeful.
Yeah, I think I know what I'm ordering already.
Yeah.
There you go. So if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Cookie's Adventures, and our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Disney or any other theme park. With that said, become part of this family by simply subscribing. And also,
by smashing that like button.
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
Wait, Mom, hit the
Mom, hit it!
I could show you how to defeat the now.
Alrighty, fam. So if you've never been here, Olivia's Cafe happens to be located next to the general store or right in front of the lobby. So you cannot miss it, honestly. You know, you park right in front of the hotel, walk through here, like right on the left-hand side.
One of the easiest restaurants to find on property, like when you go to the resorts.
Right, but I mean, even the environment has changed since the last time we came here.
Yes.
Like,
Because we came right at the beginning of everything opening, so everything was very, like,
uptight,
yeah,
and you could tell that
6
people,
feet still.
yeah, people didn't know how to act in terms of like, oh my gosh, should I be close or?
How far do I need to be?
So it's definitely a different
More
environment.
relaxed, for sure.
So I cannot wait to experience it one more time. But anyways, one thing that we never done is we never stay in this resort.
We gotta fix it.
I would love to. I mean, I love how this resort looks like. If you're ever been, obviously, on the Key West, you know, that's
This is all Florida.
Whole Florida. This is how it looks like. So we'll definitely have to make it a point to come here and
Yes.
stay.
For the vlog, of course. Yeah. For the vlog.
So we can give the experience.
Exactly.
How about we do it without kids?
Yes.
Bruh.
Oh, whoa. We gotta.
You see? You see how the tone? You see how the tone changes all of a sudden?
It went whoa.
I'm surprised she didn't tell me about that. This is a family vlog.
Exactly, it's a family vlog. Right?
But
Family has to be invited.
Exactly, kids.
anyways, we just checked in at Olivia's, and now we have to wait until they call us to go inside. It looks kind of slow today.
It's late in the night too.
Right. By slow meaning there's not as many people as the first time that we were here.
Right. But I think it's just because
The time.
we came later, yeah.
But anyways, I cannot wait to go inside. Also want to share with you that Olivia's is open for breakfast and lunch. And here's a sample of the menu in case you were wondering. Never tried it for breakfast or lunch, just dinner. And this is lunch over here. So anyways, just want to share that with you guys. We definitely like this place, guys. So like always, you come over here, check in. Obviously we have reservation, we just check in. They invite us to go inside. So that's what we're about to do. As you can see, the family is there. I really like the vibe in this location. Again, it's one of our favorite restaurants here in property. We highly recommend Olivia's.
Yes.
So now let's see if it's still as good as the first time.
It's gotta be.
Kind of like as the last time that we visited, which was our first time that we visited.
Yes.
I hope that makes sense. And Karen already started with her search.
What are we gonna have?
Right. And just, you know, for fun purposes, I decided to ask for a kid menu. Maybe Khalil wants something from there. We always give Khalil that option. So, but it is typical Disney, they're really interactive, even when they're menus.
Oh yeah, for the kids menu.
In case you haven't been to a Disney restaurant in the last maybe 2 years now, they still give you this paper with a QR code, which actually takes you to their menu electronically. Which honestly, I think they're probably gonna stay like
they're gonna
this
stay with that.
because
They're gonna
it's
save.
cheaper. It allows them to change the menu anytime. So.
Right, and I think now still not all the restaurants are full yet with their full menu, so this way it's easier for them to, like you said, add any menu items they want to.
Yeah.
Like they already added stuff, I think, to the kids menu, so they have to tell us what it's in there because they already printed all these, so they're not going to reprint these to add the kids menu. So the kids menu has increased from what they have in here.
Even though the kids menu is electronically as well, so
Yeah.
I'll be showing it to you as we explain it to you. But what we ended up getting.
For the kids tonight, we've got 2 orders of the southernmost buttermilk chicken,
Which is their specialty over here, and it's delicious. And what I ended up getting.
Carlos ended up with the slow cooked prime rib.
And then if you're looking for the kids menu, the kids menu have it's very simple, very straightforward. I think it has like elbow pasta.
Grilled chicken, pasta,
Yep.
fried chicken strips, and they added the cheeseburger, the grilled cheese, and a hot dog.
And a hot dog, yeah, definitely, because that's not in. I don't think that's even in that menu over
Let's see,
there.
let's see.
Because I looked at it.
No,
See,
so they even add,
there you go. So that menu over there is more updated than this one. Know that if you come sometime soon for your children, you'll have more
bit
selection.
more,
But because they tried that buttermilk chicken the last time, they're both won.
yes.
They won their own.
Can't blame
So
them though.
they're cheering. And 2 drinks for Sprite.
Of course.
We're the simplest people in the world.
Yes. We try to be nice.
The servers love us every time. Like, what do you guys want for drink? For Sprite. Look at this, guys. I can guarantee you that these are one of the most delicious bread that you can find here on property. And
They're fresh. They're nice, hot, fresh.
And they're bussing.
and they're what?
And they're bussing.
Bussing?
Oh, you can see the steam coming.
Yeah, Kyla, I can tell you, Kyla and I go crazy about this bread.
I'm drooling.
All right, fam, the food has arrived. Here's my prime rib, and as you can see, it comes with, I think this is potatoes and celery, right?
No.
Oh, what is that?
That's broccoli.
Broccoli. Never mind, broccoli. So, sorry. Anyways, well, because it's also the application says it's the vegetable of the day. So, there you go, and you have the chicken with mashed potatoes and green beans.
Who
Which-
wants that?
Yeah, we're not green beans people, but anyway. All right, Ka, initial thoughts
Oh my god, delicious.
as before,
As before.
and then you got opportunity to try my prime rib.
Amazing.
Okay,
Both items, both plates are delicious.
Tadeo,
I
he agrees. He concurs.
Instead of it being bussing, both of the plates deserve a sheesh.
Oh, good. Look at him. Anyways, prime rib is outstanding. Highly recommended to you. Kyla is currently trying her chicken. Look at her.
Oh my god.
It's good?
It's so good.
This dude looks like he's about to pass out over there. You're done? You tap out? How was it?
It was actually really, really good.
Good? Alright.
But you could tell from last time, like, I'm not saying that it didn't get me full, but you could tell that the last time we came in, they reduced the portion size by a lot.
Okay. Do you agree?
It seemed a little smaller,
Okay.
but it was still delicious.
Still
It
delicious?
still filled you. It still filled you.
I'm still working through mine. Kyla?
I didn't like it.
Huh?
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
No, I didn't like it, obviously. They gave me nothing, basically.
They gave... Yeah, okay.
They basically gave me nothing.
Yeah.
Ew.
Highly recommended then?
Yes.
Alright, there you go. So now that we officially left the restaurant, this is kind of cool. Welcome home, runners. This weekend happens to be the Princess Half Marathon. So it's kind of cool to see all this signage and feel the environment. But anyways, outside from Olivia's, you're able to experience this area, which it looks beautiful. I mean, come here, hang out with your family and all that, taking pictures and all that. It definitely looks beautiful. So
Yeah.
this is the first time I see this. Is a DVC ferry. I never actually seen this, but welcome to Disney Vacation Club Ferry. And final return service from Disney Spring to Old Key West is at 11:30. So it's kind of cool to know that, you know, that's all you need. Just catch the ferry and it takes you directly to Disney Springs. Now walking from from outside the restaurant on the back, you got over here like a bar. Was this open last? I don't think this was open last time. I don't think so.
I don't think so. I think Food to Go was open, but the bar, I don't think the bar was
I don't
open
even
yet.
remember Food to Go
No,
being
it was
open. Was it?
It's the little kiosk, so those were the first ones.
Oh, wow, I don't even remember this. See, everything that you can forget in more than a year, or at least me. But anyways, this is where you can find your QSR by the pool, which is cool now that their pool the pool looks cool though. Pool looks cool. And I have definitely not been around a resort during running season, but this is the actual first time that we see it. I can tell you when we used to run at Run Disney and we used to stay on resorts, we never had this. But now pick up a runner box at Goods to Go for $9.99. You got a bagel, a peanut butter, banana, granola bar, and a small bottle of water. Huh. That's interesting for $9.99.
Protein, so you can run.
There you
Healthy
go.
fat.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yep.
I definitely like the hospitality from Old Key West. Look at this. You even have a banner over there. Welcome home runners. Very nice. Again, we haven't been here during running season,
I feel
so
like we need to do this. We need to sign up for a race if we
Yeah.
get in, because they sell out like this.
yeah.
And then stay in a hotel. And
I agree with you. Like for example, I'm running in April, so that means I can stay in a hotel.
I think we all can stay in the hotel.
No, 'cause
and then you
only
wake up early
runners.
and go.
So you see, welcome home runners. Only runners.
Like really small, it says family members.
No, only runners, meaning Carlos in April can stay in a resort by
You
himself.
got in because of me.
Yeah, that's true. True fact.
So,
Now, I would like to just rent one of these. I definitely, oh my God, we got to do so much things here in Disney property. Like we stay in many resorts, but the kids were little too.
yeah, and we're usually rushing to go to the park. So like I was telling Carlos, I think we need to stay in a resort.
And chill.
Stay in the resort.
Yes, have an actual vacation.
So we can show you everything that the resort has to offer.
So we can show the amenities in the resort and then obviously spend time and like relax.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty, guys, there you have it here from Old Key West, from Olivia's Cafe. What an amazing evening. What do you guys thought?
Delicious,
I'm so
amazing.
full right now.
I am
Server was
stuffed.
amazing.
She was great.
Oh, by the way, shout out to the server who actually did some magic for us tonight. She ended up bringing us some desserts. She said, here's some magic for you guys. So thank you so much again.
Thank you.
I love Disney. More importantly, I love Disney cast members. Thank you
That's right.
thank you,
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, CMs, for everything that y'all do. But anyways, sadly, this adventure has ended. And with that said, we got to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye,
guys.
Boom.
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 See ya.
Bye.